Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Kiana. We actually have a lot of stuff to do today. I just need to get my life under wraps. It's been really stressful. I'll go over that in like another kind of FaceTime vlog with you guys because there's a lot of stuff that's happened in my life recently that's just very stressful. And honestly, keeping myself in order is one of the ways that I've been trying to manage my stress. So that's exactly what we're doing. Step one has been cleaning the house. I've been doing laundry for forever. I cleaned up a little bit yesterday. I've been cleaning up this morning. I still have to clean this living room, as you can see. Next up is going to be going on a walk. I'm trying to get like 25 to 30 minutes outdoors and then 25 to 30 minutes indoors type exercise. Indoors is always really easy for me. Outdoors is for some reason where I struggle, especially now that it's getting colder and I don't want to fall into bad habits with the cold weather. So we're going on a walk. Next thing, we're gonna do my hair. We're gonna get ready. It's gonna be amazing because getting ready just makes me feel ready. I don't know how else to describe it. It makes me feel like I'm taking care of myself. Then I do have a few errands to run, so we're gonna knock out those errands, and we're also going to organize and get some PR set away for something that I'm very excited to be doing in December. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything lined up. I think that will be everything. So I'm going to finish up cleaning. I'm going to go on my walk and then I will be right back and we're going to get ready and then we're going to go run some errands. Okay? All right. Okay, so I just got back from my walk and it is officially time to do something about this hair and get ready. So I'm going to go and take a shower. I also realized that I need to go to Target. Oh no, not Target. Yeah, I need to go to Target to get a few things just to organize my office because it's an absolute mess. But I'm gonna get ready before I do that. Today's video is actually sponsored by Umberto Giannini, which is the products I'm going to be using today. So in the shower, I am gonna go with their Curl Defining Shampoo with Vitamin B5 and then their Defrizz Conditioner. So I'm going to try out this curly routine right in front of you guys. I'm really excited about it. I was looking it up on TikTok and everyone has pretty good reviews, so I'm pretty excited. So anyways, I'm gonna go do an everything shower and I'm going to use this shampoo and conditioner in the shower and then I will be right back and we will do the rest of my routine and I'll show you guys the results. I think this will be really fun. Plus, I really need my hair. I just don't feel pretty unless my hair is done. I feel like my hair is the main reason. Like I can leave the house without makeup. Without my hair done though, no. Okay, I'm fresh out of the shower and I'm going to just go straight into doing my hair, you guys. I picked at my forehead and I shouldn't have. I know better. First things first, I always wet it down till it's dripping wet. Step one, hair is very, very wet. Next up, we're going in, oh my goodness, my hairs. We're going in with our Curl Control Cream. This is a moisturizing cream to create hold, define, defrizz, and heat protect. Ooh, I love when a curl cream has heat protectant in it because I feel like that's one thing most curly girls don't think about. You think, oh, if I'm straightening my hair, I need to worry about it. But you never think if I'm diffusing my hair or UV protection for being out in like the summer. I know we're going into fall, but it's so important. It really is. I'm gonna take a little more and just rake it through my hair. Their products smell really, really comforting, but also very luxurious. I noticed that in the shower. I don't know exactly how to put my finger on it. I'm gonna add just a little bit more just to the back of my head because I always forget back there. Next step, I'm going in with their curl activating mousse. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some in my hand and I'm going to flip my head over. So I'm gonna take it. Oh, that was a lot. Oh, that was so much. Okay, we're gonna flip my head over and we're gonna scrunch it in. And we're actually gonna scrunch it in all over. The main goal is to get the roots for volume when it comes to mousse, but we're just gonna scrunch it all over. And I'm actually gonna go in with more water just because I don't want my hair to feel stringy at all. And just brush through to clump. And then my last step, I'm going in with their scrunching jelly. I love a good gel. This is for scrunch drying all types of curls, tames frizz, adds shine, and defines. And I'm just going to scrunch that in. I love doing things with my head upside down because to me it gives more volume. That's kind of like my tried and true. Last little bit on these underneath pieces. And y'all, I'm gonna add water just one last time because I really want to make sure that these products are well distributed through my hair. Gently. going to flip my head back over, and now I'm going to go ahead and diffuse, and I will be right back once I'm done diffusing to show you guys the final look. I think it's gonna look really, really good if I'm being honest. It is fully dry. The cast that it has is quite an amazing cast, which is why it doesn't look dry. I am going in with their Frizz oil. It says that it's a Cara Fusion instantly transforms all types of frizzy hair, so I love that. I love using an oil to break the gel cast, so I'm going to pump a few into my hand. Ooh, this smells really good. Okay, and now I'm just going to drag it through, kind of prayer hands it through, and scrunch. Maybe even take a little more, because this is definitely a thicker formula. And drag through and scrunch, and now shaking at the roots. Oh, wow. Oh, I just feel like this is going to be a good one. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Wow, look how beautiful. Hold on. My curls decided to like go straight back on this side. There we go. Wow. Oh my. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror behind me, you guys. These look really, really, really good. These look really beautiful. I am very impressed. Here, I'll show you the back too. I'm in love. Wait, those are, I'm gonna have to add all of these to my routine. Wow, those are beautiful. I actually really, really like this oil. It is a thicker oil, but it melts into your hair so easily and it smells so nice, and I feel like it gives a very, very pretty shine. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now that we have the hair done, and thank you again, once again, to Umberto Giannini for sponsoring today's video. This was an amazing hair day. Definitely has me feeling way better. Like I was saying, sometimes you gotta do your hair to feel good. You gotta look the part. So yeah, thank you guys so much. If you're interested, I will have all of these products linked down below, as well as the link to grab any of these products. I highly suggest it. I mean, you can see the results. They're beautiful. You can just follow the routine I was doing. But yes, thank you, Umberto. Okay. Also, if you hear flies, it's because I have the windows open because I burnt my lunch and I needed to air it out. And it's also such a beautiful day. It's literally like 70 degrees flat. So it's just perfect. So I have all of the windows open in my house because it's so nice out. Let's do my makeup real quick. I actually just posted an updated makeup routine over on TikTok, but if you don't have TikTok, I will link these products down below as well for you. I've been trying new perfumes. I'm sorry, I'm talking too much. That's not the point of this. I will do that in the next video. I will talk way more because I feel like I have so much to catch you guys up on, but that can wait. Taking my sunscreen, of course. Concealer. Going with Merit for my brows. Then we go in with the teensiest little bit of liner. This is the color Twist. That is the hair and makeup. Literally, how can I not feel better already? I'm gonna put up all of my stuff and then we're gonna pick out a cute little outfit. I just washed my Paxton jeans, which hopefully means they will fit so amazing. These are so, so nice. They're low-waisted ones. I don't know exactly what they're called. It just says low-rise baggy. I love these. You see what I mean? Look at these. Aren't they just like so perfect? I could just leave this top on, but I'm not really feeling like holding myself up all day. So option number one is going to be this little green tank, or like green long sleeve, I should say. And I'll probably have it to where it kind of shows like a little bit of the waist. Or we have this one, which is also new. And it's kind of like a, I think they're both, this one may be off the shoulders actually. And off the shoulders. Kind of leaning towards the green, if I'm being honest. I think I'm gonna do the green. I think she'll be fun. Okay, that's opinions. I think it's pretty cute, if I do say so myself. So, I think I'm gonna wear this and then probably put my sambas with it, and then I'll have my purse. I'm gonna put on my rings and my gold jewelry. First ring from my mother. Second ring, I think, is from Ana Luisa. And that one, nope, just kidding. That one doesn't go there. That one goes on this finger. Nothing goes there. Not yet. Tea in the next video. The jewelry that goes on my fingers. And then I'm also going to add in my earrings real quick. And then we will be on our way to Target. I will show you guys the damage that is my office right now. It's not that crazy bad. I'm just like tired of living in filth right now. So it's bad though. Like it's it's bad. But this is all PR, you guys. This is literally all PR. Those are PR, that's PR, that's PR. So I have some friends and family coming over. That's PR. Technically that was PR, but I'm keeping those because I travel. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of. Or not even, it's not stuff I need to get rid of. It's stuff that I just need to organize so that maybe when I do something in December, I'm still figuring out what exactly I'm going to do. But something for you guys, I'll have an easier way. And December me will be very grateful and very thankful. So I'm going to try and figure that out. Let's go to Target. We're going to find a few things. It's totally a side note, but my boyfriend, he just got a haircut. He's not very good at getting haircuts on time, so I'm surprised he's getting it this soon. He's literally getting one at 4, and he told me that I couldn't do anything funky on my nails for like the next few weeks. I don't want to look into it, but at the same time, I'm looking into it, okay? Okay, I'm freaking out because I just saw him on the way over here. So, and I was like, where are you going? And he was like, where are you going? I'm freaking out, you guys. It's gonna sound a little insane, but I don't know if these are gonna fit in my cubbies that I have in my office, but I know what does fit, so we're gonna do a little bit of girl measuring. Come with me, okay? I know that 2 of these will fit in my thing. Okay, so it's not gonna fit. Other option is getting these stackable ones, which basically means that I can build it however tall I want, which is kind of perfect. So I think I may just do that instead. Okay, kind of random, but I got a different toothpaste than last time because I don't really like fluoride toothpaste. And I got some other brand than I usually get. I usually just get Hello, but they didn't have it at my grocery store for some reason. So I got something else. It's so bad. It's like a gel and it doesn't foam at all, which really weirds me out. See, I usually get this one, but I want the fluoride free. But I guess I could get that one. I'm being picky, you guys. Oh yeah, I also grabbed this because all of like my workout and Lululemon stuff, I always hang it on the couch, and I think it's annoying Brady, which is totally fair. So I'm getting a hanging rack finally, because I also don't like hanging them up on actual like hangers, because anytime that I do that, basically just doesn't work out because they get stretched out, especially all my sweaters with fall coming. Like no. I've heard the most amazing things about this shade Rum Raisin, so I think I'm gonna try it because I don't know, everyone and their brother is wearing it on TikTok, and I kind of am curious about it. And I love a berry. I love a little red. Okay, I'm going to start off by just separating everything into piles based on what the product itself is, and we will go from there, and then I will put everything into boxes. It's so freaking heavy. And that's how I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna put on a good show or something, because I think this is gonna take me a while, and I have a feeling these piles are gonna get pretty big. Is taking so much longer than I thought it would be. You guys, the sun is literally setting, but I do have all of the makeup figured out. I did basically like base and setting and powders, then blushes and highlights, then lippies, and then anything eye related. And then I have shampoo, conditioner, and then all skincare, and then some body care and fragrances. It's getting there. It's getting there. I'm gonna continue, but I think I'm done filming it, but I'm gonna continue. I'm also watching some movie with the girl from Stranger Things in it, the redhead. She's so freaking pretty and she's so talented. But anyways, I'm watching whatever that is. It is the next day and I had to go and get more because it wasn't enough. Because I have so much stuff, and then I was like, okay, all my PR looks good, but now all of my own products are just like scattered in drawers. So now I'm gonna organize those too. It's almost like spring cleaning but fall, you know? Just a few days ago, I had my underarm laser consultation, but today is actually the day that I'm sticking to it and I'm doing it. So let's go and get my arms lasered away. Okay, I'm here and I'm very nervous actually. I didn't think I was gonna be very nervous, but I think I'm just nervous to know if it's gonna be painful because I have a low pain tolerance. So I'm gonna see if I can film in there. I don't know yet. Y'all, that was so much less painful than waxing. I am so mad at myself that I hadn't done this sooner. I'm actually kind of pissed at myself right now because that was not bad at all. Hello. Oh my goodness, I probably look absolutely insane. It's been a few days, but I was able to get my office all cleaned up as well as the downstairs. I was able to finish laundry. My entire room is clean. And now I'm going on a very, very exciting trip, but stay tuned for my next YouTube video. I'm gonna sit down and I'm just gonna chit chat with you guys because we have so much to talk about. It's actually insane. Just so many things. I feel like I just need to catch up with you guys and I haven't talked to you in a minute, and I'm sorry if you hear my sound machine. It's how I go to sleep. But anyways, I was able to get a lot of stuff done. I know this video is kind of chaotic, so I apologize, but I hope that you got some stuff done while you were watching this as well. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much if you made it to the end of the video. I love you. Bye-bye.